Hello students, this is Swapnil Dage. Welcome to the Maths Manual. So today we are going to discuss about the arithmetic progression, which is third chapter, mathematics 1 for the Maharashtra State Board. So in the AP or arithmetic progression, we have this practice set number 3.1. In that we have fixed pattern questions. Means in the first question, which of the following sequence are AP? Okay, we have to recognize whether the following given sequence is AP or not. And if they are AP, then we have to find the common difference. Actually, without finding the common difference, we cannot judge whether this given sequence is AP or not. Basically, we have to find the common difference first. After finding the common difference, and if that common differences are equal, then we can say that following sequence is AP or okay AP. If that is equal, then it will be AP. So let us solve this question. So in the sequence, we have this A1, A2, A3, and this will be the A4. So the simple formula for finding the common difference is A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 means for second term minus first term. So second term is 4. First term is 2. So 4 minus 2 will be 2. Okay. So the common difference here we got is D is equal to 2. Similarly, we have to do this A3 minus A2. So in this case also A3 is 6 minus 4, we got D is equal to 2. Similarly, we can find this D is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 is 8 minus 6. So we also got this 2 here also. So it means that we have this common difference which is 2. So it means that this given sequence, this particular given sequence is an AP. So you have to write the answer in the statement form. That will be the given sequence. The given sequence is an AP. Okay, given sequence is an AP. So let us solve the question number 2 in our textbook, in the Maharashtra textbook. In this second question is like this: 2 comma 5 by 2, 2 comma 5 by 2, 3, and in our textbook they have given this 7 by 3. But when we solve this question containing this 7 by 3 here, so we will get the answer. This is not an AP, but in the textbook you have answer given. In that answer, this sequence is also an AP. So if we take this 7 by, instead of this 7 by 3, we are going to take this 7 by 2. After that we will get the same answer which is given in your textbook. Okay, textbook answers. So let us solve this question by taking both the numbers. Okay, so let us first of all we will take this 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 3. Okay, let us solve this. So in this case we have this A1, A2, A3, and this will be the A4. Similarly, we have to follow the same process, A2 minus A1. So here A2 is 5 by 2 minus A1 is 2. 2 means 2 by 1. So let us cross multiply this. So 5 by 1 will be 5 minus 2 into 2 is 4 by 2. So we got this 1 by 2. So we got this D as a 1 by 2. Let us check in the second step also. So in this 3 minus 5 by 2. So 3 means nothing but 3 by 1. So let us cross multiply this also. So 3 into 2 is 6 minus 5 by 2. So we got again D is equal to 1 by 2. But now in the next step, we will be getting this 7 by 3, A4 minus A3. So A4 is in the given textbook question 7 by 3, 7 by 3 minus 3 by 1. Okay, 3 by 1 means 3 is nothing but 3 by 1. So let us solve this. 7 into 1 is 7 minus 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 into 1 is 3. So we got here minus 2 by 3. So we got this D which is not equal to the earlier D's. Okay, means first D was 1 by 2, second 1 by 2, and third we got minus 2 by 3. Means in the given question, this is not an AP. This is not an AP. So you have to write here the given sequence is not an AP, but in our textbook they have given that is this is an AP. Why this is so? Because actually they have uh, a printing mistake. So we have to take this last number 7 by 3. Instead of this 7 by 3, we will take this 7 by 2. After that we will get the same answer here. So let us take the fourth term 7. Instead of this 7 by 3, we will take this last term is 7 by 2. So we will get same answer. So let us take this 7 by 2. Instead of this 7 by 3, we are going to take this 7 by 2. 7 by 2 minus this 3. Okay, 7 by 2 minus 3 by 1. So 7 into 1 is 7, minus 3 into 2 is 6 by 2. So we got 7 minus 6 is 1 by 2. So likewise you will get the same answer, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now you can say that the given sequence is an AP. There is a small printing mistake in our textbook. So this was about the question number 1 and question number 2. Likewise we have this second question, third question in this. In this case also we have to follow the same process. We have to follow same process. In this also we have this A1, A2, A3 and A4. Okay, so write down the formula. D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is minus 6 minus 10. You have to put a bracket for the numbers which has negative sign. Okay, so minus 6, we have written full minus 6. Minus, in the formula itself we have this negative sign, right? So minus 6 minus 10 will be minus 6, minus will be positive 10. So this we will get here positive 4. Now let us solve again. A3 minus A2. So this will be minus 2 minus 6. So in this case we will get how much? We are going to have the 4 again. Okay, minus 2 plus 6. We have this 4 again, and for the last step we will be getting this A4 minus A3. So A4 is 2 minus 2. Are you getting? 2 minus 2. So 2 plus minus plus, and we also got here D is equal to 4, D is equal to 4, and this is also D is equal to 4. So it means that this given sequence is an AP. Okay, are you getting? Okay, very fourth question. We have this question 0.3, second term is 0.33 and last term is 0.333. So this is A1, A2 and A3. So in this question they have given only 3 terms. So let us find the D. D is equal to A2 minus A1. So how to find this? 0.33 minus 0.3 only. Okay, so 0.33 minus 0.3. So we will having 0.03. Okay, 0.03. So we got here 0.03. Let us find next A3 minus A2. So that will be 0.333 minus 0.33. So we will be having here 0.333 minus 0. How much? 33. So we have to write here 0.3000. Okay, so we got here 0.003. So look here, this is not the same. So it means that this given sequence is not an AP, not an AP. So you have to write down like this, not an AP. Okay, are you getting? So let us solve the next question. So in the next question we have got the 0 minus 4 minus 8 and minus 12 in the question number 5. So we have to find the D here, A1, A2, A3, and this is A4. So let us find D, A2 minus A1. So A2 is minus 4 minus 0. So we are having here minus 4. Are you getting? This is and minus 4. This is a minus 4. So D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 8 minus minus 4. So let us simplify this neatly, perfectly. So this is minus 8 minus minus plus 4, and this will be minus 4. So here also we got minus 4, and this is also minus 4. But if you are having 4 term, then you have to do all the calculations here. So let us find this. D is equal to A4 minus A3. So A4 is minus 12 minus how much? Minus 12 minus minus 8. So minus 12 minus minus will be positive 8, and we are getting the minus 4 here also. So this means that this given sequence is an AP, and in the question they have asked us to write the common difference. Means you just have to write the common difference, or D is equal to minus 4. Likewise, in the previous questions also you have to mention this D is equal to you have to mention the D. In this question we have got this minus 4 as a D. Okay, let us solve the question number 6. A1, A2, A3 and A4. So in this question we have all the same terms. So this is an minus 1 by 5. This is also minus 1 by 5. This is also 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5. So this is the question actually. So let us find this. D is equal to A2 minus A1. Okay, so A2 is minus 1 by 5 minus minus 1 by 5. So we have what here, minus 1 by 5 minus minus will be plus. So we can have this cancel. We can got this this we will getting here 0, because positive and negative same numbers are there. So we have cancelled, that is that. And again D is equal to A3 minus A2. So in this also we will having this minus 1 by 5 minus minus 1 by 5. Similar answer we are going to having. So positive 1 by 5. So this is also 0, and last will be also same. There will be similar D we will getting. So A4 minus A3, it is also going to come 0. Okay, so we have got the same D here, common difference here. So D is equal to 0 here, and we can say that this is an AP. Okay, so let us solve the next question. In the question number 1 itself, we are having these 8 questions, sub questions we can say. So the question number 7, again we have to follow same process. You just have to focus on your calculation. You have to practice, and you will get familiar with the calculations. Okay, so this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, and this is A4. So let us solve this. D is equal to, this is first this is second term, 3. How much? 3 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2, and we have to subtract this 3 from this. So we will having 3 plus root 2 root 2, 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So minus 3, positive 3 will be cancelled. So we got here root 2. So we got this D is equal to root 2. Again, let us check this. 3 plus means this one, A3 minus A2. So A3 in this case is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. You have to put it in this bracket, because when we are going to open the bracket, that the internal signs will be changing. So okay, so this 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3, this sign will be changed here. This will be root 2. So we can cancel this 3, positive 3 and negative 3, and we have here 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. 2 root 2, 2 root 2, like this. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 means we can get 2 minus root 2, we can write directly. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. which is nothing but root 2. So we got root 2 here, we also got root 2 here. Again, we have to do the calculation till the end. In this type of question, you have to calculate all the d's. Okay, so in the last step, we will d is equal to, we can do this a4 minus a3. So a4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2 here. So we can, now we have to open the bracket. So 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus, look here, minus 2 root 2. Positive 3, negative 3 will get cancelled. And what we have left here, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. In this case also we got the same answer. 3 minus 2 is 1, which is nothing but, which is nothing but root 2. Okay, so in all the cases we got same d. It means that this given sequence is an AP and the d is root 2. Seventh question, we got the d is root 2 and we have left last question in this. It is very simple, we just have to subtract. So this is our a1, a2 and this is a3. So let us find the a2 minus a1. a2 is 132 minus 127. We got here 5, right? 137. a3 minus a2 is 137 minus 132. Here also we have this 5. So we got the same d here, and we can say that this given sequence is an AP and our d is equal to 5 here. So this is the one type of questions. In the question they may be asked to you. So it was very easy question. Which of the following sequences are AP? If they are an AP, find the common difference. So likewise we can find this question. So let us solve the question. Second type of question, which is a write an AP whose first term is A. They have given us the first term, okay, which is known as a. Small a is nothing but the first term of an AP, and we have got here the common difference, which is d. And the first term we got here A. So in each of the following, so they have given us the first term and the common difference, and we have to write an AP. Or we have to find an AP. So let us start with the question. So for finding the second, third, fourth step, it is up to you how much terms you are going to find. Means as per my knowledge, or you just have to write 3 or 4 terms only. That will be enough. Don't write 5, 6, 7 terms, because there is no point on writing the 5, 6, 7 terms, because if you have this A and D, you can find infinite terms. So just find 3 or 4 terms only. So this is the first term. We can say that this is T1, which is also A. So we got here 10. We have this first step here. Okay, first term here, T1, which is nothing but A or A1. We can write A1 or T1, term, T for term. Okay, so we have to find the T2. So how to find the T2, term 2? So the formula is very easy. A plus D. What? A plus D. A means term number 1, T1 plus D. You can write here T1 plus D also. So let us find this. So A is 10 and D is 5. So we got 15 here. T3 is equal to A. Look here. You can write T1 also, and you can write the A also here, because T2 or T1, which is nothing but A. So for finding the term 2, you have to add a D, common difference in the previous term. Okay. So we have got this second term. After that, T2 plus D. So T2 is 15 plus our D is 5. So we got here. So we got here 20. So an AP, write an AP. So AP, we can write the AP here. So 10, comma 15, comma 20, and you have to do like this. So that will be tends to infinity. So we have got an AP here, 10, 15 and 20. You can write the fourth term also, that will be 25. So this is how you have to solve such questions. So in the question number 2, so in the question number 1 we have find this 10, 15, 20, 25, and in the question number 2 let us solve the question. So here we have a is equal to minus 3, which is nothing but a is equal to t1, which is minus 3 here. So how to find the t2? How to find the T2? So T2 is T1 plus D. T1 is minus 3 plus 0. So we will having minus 3 here. So T3 is also T2 plus D. T2 is minus 3 plus 0. Same number we will having T4 is equal to T3 plus D minus 3 plus 0. So you can write an AP. You can write an AP like this: minus 3, comma minus 3, comma minus 3, comma minus 3 up to infinity. So likewise you can solve this question. Let us solve the third question. In the third question we have this a is equal to minus 7 and d is equal to half. So d is equal to half means what? We can write this half. We can write this half as 0.5. So let us find the term T1, which is a is equal to minus 7, T2, T2, T2 is equal to T1 plus D. So we have this minus 7 plus 0.5. So minus 7 plus 0.5 means there will be subtraction. So we will getting minus 6.5. Minus 6.5 we got. So T3 is equal to T2 plus D. T2 is minus 6.5 plus 0.5. So that will be minus 6.0, which is nothing but minus 6. And we can find the T4 also, T3 plus D. T3 is minus 6.0 minus, or we have to add this plus 0.5. So we will getting here minus 5.5. So we got an AP here which is minus 7, minus 6.5, minus 6.0, and minus 5.5, and so on. So we got this minus 5.5 last fourth term. Solve. Let us solve this question number 4 here. Similarly, this is T1 a minus 1. Okay, so T2 is equal to a. T2 is equal to T1 plus D. So T1 is minus 1.25 plus this plus 3. So we got here minus 1.25 plus 3. So we will having here, so we have to subtract this. Okay, we have to subtract this. So subtract from the 3.00 minus 1.25. So we are having here 75 and 2 minus 1, so 1.75. So this is 1.75. First term will be second term will be 1.75. Let us find the third term. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. 1.75 plus 3. 1.75 plus 3 will be 1.75 plus 3. How much it is? 4.75. So 4.75, and let us find fourth term. T3 plus D will be 4.75 plus 3. That will be 7 point how much? 7.5. So we got an AP here, which is we can write an AP here, which is minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75, and 4 term 7.75, and so on. So likewise you can solve such numericals. So in the question number 5, in the same question, in the second question, we got this question number 5 here. So T1 A is equal to 6, T2 is equal to T1 plus D, T1 which is 6 plus minus 3. So this will be 6 minus 3. We got here 3. Okay, so first term we got here, first term we have here 6, second term we got 3. Likewise, T3 is equal to T2 plus D. T2 is 3 plus minus 3. So 3 minus 3, we will having 0 here. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. T3 is 0 minus 3. So we got here minus 3. So an AP, if we want to write an AP for this is 6 comma 3 comma 0 comma minus 3 and so on. So this is an AP, required AP. And the last question, in the last question we have this T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 19, T2 is equal to T1 plus D. T1 is minus 19 plus this minus 4. So minus 19 minus 4 will be minus 23. So the T2 term 2 is minus 23. Now let us solve that. Let us find the T3. T2 plus D. T2 is minus 23 plus D is minus 4. So we got minus 27. Now we can write an AP. First term is minus 19, second term is minus 23, third term is minus 27, and likewise we can find the further terms. Okay, so this was the second question. We have finished the second question. So in that we have got these 6 questions. So let us solve the last question from the practice set number 3.1. In this type of questions we have asked that find the first term and the common difference for each of the following AP. So first term, we have to find the first term and common difference, which is nothing but D. So first term in this, we have got this first term, A is equal to 5. So this is the first term. And second term, we can write A is equal to A1 also, but T1 we have this 5, T2 is equal to 1, T3 is equal to minus 3, and T4 is equal to minus 7. Okay, so these are the terms. So we have got this first term here, and now we have to find the common difference. So how to find the common difference in this question? Actually, we are having the APs with us, means this given questions are AP itself. So out of that we just have to check, we just have to find and find the common difference. So it is very simple to find the common difference. So we can have this formula: D is equal to A2 minus A1 or T2 minus T1, which is 1 minus 5. So we got here minus 4. So it means that now it is confirmed that when this is an AP, it will be confirmed that the again if we find the AP by using these terms also, there will be also same difference between the terms. So in this case we have this A is equal to 5 and D is equal to minus 4. So this is the required answer. In the second question we have this 0.6. So A is equal to 0.6. So it is also T1. Okay, so we got this A here, and we want to if we want to find the D, so that will be A2 minus A1. A2 is 0.9 minus 0.6. So we will be having the 0.3. How much? 0.3. 3. So we have got A is equal to 0.6 and our D is equal to 0.3 here. So this is the answer we are getting 0.3 D. So let us solve the question number 3 and 4. In the question number 3 we have got this A is equal to 127 and D A2 minus A1. So A1 is 135 minus 127. So we will be having 8 here. D is equal to 8. So write down the answer. A is equal to 127 and D is equal to 8. Okay. D is equal to 8, and in the question number 4, A is equal to 1 by 4 and D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 is 3 by 4 minus A1 is 1 by 4. So we got here 2 by 4, which is nothing but we can simplify this and we can have this D is equal to 1 by 2. So we got the D here. A is equal to 1 by 4 and D is equal to 1 by 2. So we got all the answers. Okay. So likewise in the 3.1 exercise or practice set, we have such kind of questions. Thank you.